Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Money, and today's video, you can see my previous video, so I will show you guys the unboxing and what is coming on the CNC machine. So today, you guys know, there's another video, so we having it and we're gonna put it together. So I hope you guys like it, enjoy it, and we're gonna do a time completely lasting on that, and I'm gonna show you how everything is getting done because I know that machine is gonna take me a lot of time to build in, probably about 40 minutes or more to put it together. And what I'm gonna do, I want to reduce that time to 5 minutes. So the only way to do it is gonna be the time lapse. I'll probably be talking on top of that and tell you a little thing, kind of mistake I did and stuff like that. And guys, like I normally see you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you after the regular intro. Okay guys, so we are back, intro's finished. Now to the real thing. I'll see you guys after the time lesson. See you there. All right, guys. So as you can see in it, we put it back together in the machine. Now, if you what we can say, if the interaction guideline it was good, no, it was the worst I ever seen it. I had to get into online. Went to a website. I'm gonna show you this real quick because I was using my phone. So it couldn't refactor. You see the, let's see if we can put that right there. You guys can see it. Let's see. Right there. All right. So I went to that website, gonna refactor.ca. They will help you out. It's a good information, especially because this right here doesn't show you where it need to be located each cable. What is C, what is J, where the other cable is located. So that was one of the main thing, one of the problem we have in it. That's what I wanna point out. The price $90. I'm not gonna complain it. I had to go and look for some stuff. We got it in, and I think it's a good buy for me for $90. But it's not easily friendly to put it together. To be honest with you guys, it's not super easy friendly to put it together. A lot of people or beginners is gonna have a lot of issue if they never put something else together, especially when it's come with electronic and you never put a computer together. You're gonna have a lot of problem because you're gonna have to learn it research online, or you can go watching one of my video like mine and see the timelines and how everything get together. And you got, I'm gonna tell you this guy, it's the pain. It's really hard to put it together. Um, this is the last session of the book. I'll tell you everything how everything go. It's gonna show you only to put it assembling everything together, nothing else. It will tell you, for example, the two more on the top. The one is J, the other one is S. You don't know which one is which one. If you're not looking down online, you know the other one on the bottom. After that, this is how you put it. This is the next page. Sorry, the next page. You can see in it right here. Sorry, right there. Only show you how the laser goes now. It's not gonna tell you what you gotta do in the machine if you wanna change it, put the laser. None of the stuff. So you're gonna have to go to the website and just suggest to everybody. I'm gonna put on my description. I'm gonna try to put on my description, and that's one thing I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna have to do it after the video is loaded because I have to get it from my phone and then transfer to my YouTube. All right. So, alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Press that like button on your way out. That will help in my channel and grow it up to create more content. You can see it. We all invest money on the beginning of any channel, so also you guys understand it. And I'll be seeing you to my next video. And peace out, guys. We're gonna do a lot of things with this machine. This is why we get in the floor, and I'll see you there.